Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll show you step by step how to create iOS app assets like app icon and upload them into Xcode, then finally prepare app build for submission. So first, what is exactly iOS assets? So the iOS assets, it includes your app icon, logo, and screen images, and any other images that Xcode needs in different size. And Apple requires specific dimension for each device, iPhone, iPad, and all the things. So have you seen where this errors generally come? So I'll show you. So now see, I am publishing this app. So what we'll do, distribute this app. I'll create distribute this app. Boom. So now you saw this error, validation error. So why this error is coming? Because its icons are needed. So we need to give icons. What we'll do, we'll go to this, we'll create these icons. So earlier it was very difficult to create different resolution, different icons. Nowadays it's very much simple. I'll tell what is the shortcut. Now go to this app icon website and whatever the logo you want to, you have at least one logo, right? You can click on this and generate. It will generate both for iPhone, iPad and macOS. Also it will generate for Android different sizes. Also just click it generate. Perfect. Now you can see it will generate and it will download. It will download and you can go and see. You can unzip. This is what it is created. Download folder, you can unzip. You can see Android is there, assets is there, and under assets all the icons will be there. So now what we have to do? So we have to go this so what we will do? We'll go to the Xcode and then we'll go to your project and click on your project on the left hand side on workspace. Then click on images. Once you click on the images, you will see app icons. So what we'll do? You will go to your this app icons assets and you have to drag and you can drag and drop here. Okay. Now once and drag and drop is done, now you can see all the list of icons. Now it has come here. Okay, it would have come here and fixed. Okay, so now you can see once your drag and drop is done. So if I'm not sure drag and drop is not done, you can go to again. You can go and drag and drop here. Okay, so now drag and drop is done. So what we'll do now is done. We'll create a build again and we'll see whether the error is gone or not. Sorry, I think now its icon is coming. I did a mistake last time. So what we have to do, you have to go inside and app icons and this one you have to drag and drop. Once you don't do it, you do the drag and drop, you can see all the icons are reflecting because earlier it wasn't reflecting. Now it's reflecting perfectly. So you got it right. Which icons you need to go inside this Apple Xcode icons, and this one you need to drag and drop. I'm telling again and again. Okay, now let's build the app and see. Perfect. Now the build is succeed. Now let's push the build to distribute the build. Let's see. Generally the error comes after the distribution. Now you can see that app is published successfully. Now you got if that you will get that assets error, how to fix it. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.